Okay, so let's see how exactly we can shorten our URL and do magics with that. Okay, so two options are there. Once you come to your dashboard, you have a quick shorten over here. The keyboard shortcut is Control K or Command K in Mac, and this is where you have the complete option. So you can have a single or multiple URLs pasted over here. Paste up to 10 long URLs, one URL per line. Okay, so it will identify it automatically. So, but as of now, we will go with the single URL. So let's say I have this URL which I have to shorten it out. So I will select the complete URL, copy it, come to Alt-L and click on this area, paste a long link. I will paste the long link and I have two options. Either I will just simply click on shorten or I will click on the advanced filter option over here. So as I click on advanced filter option over here, I can see details of this one. So first is the domain, which domain I have to go with. As I told you, we will go with the altly.in extension. This is redirection. I will show you what exactly redirection is, but before that, we will just see how exactly it is. So we have direct, we have frame, and we have splash screen. Then we have channels. We can create channels to track our information in a specific way. Then we have password protection. You can create a password for this link. So whoever have the password for this link, they can only open this. And if they don't have password, the URL and the further information which is there in this URL won't be accessible with them. You can keep a description. Description is just for your understanding. So I will just copy this name and I'll just paste it over here. So this is for my understanding. And if I click on customize, you can have a meta tag, then geo tag, deep linking, all the other things we will see step by step. Okay. And I will click on shorten. So as soon as I click on shorten, there we go. So this is our short link. So you see with the big long tail URL, this is our URL. We have a by default, we have a QR code ready for this. So we can download this QR code and this is in PNG and SVG format. So if you download this QR code, you can use this QR code anywhere. And this is our shorten URL. You can copy it from here or you can copy it from here and you can share this URL in the social media platforms right away. I will close this. I will come to this links over here and you can see this is your first URL created. You can copy this URL again from here if you lost it or if you want to copy it again somewhere else. So this is the note where I told you this is just for your information, where you can see this link is Indian stock market analysis, July 18, 2024. And this is the, once you click on copy, you can copy this. Now, if anyone clicks on this URL, they will first come here like this, and they will be redirected to this page, and then they will see the complete URL. So whenever someone clicks on this specific URL, you will get the counts as well. So zero click, zero unique click as of now because it is not yet published. If you click on this option over here, this three dots, you can get the more info, statistics, edit, archive this link, set public, then custom QR code, then export statistics. As I told you, the statistics of this link will be available here for 30 days in this specific plan. And you can reset the complete stats. You can delete it also if it is no longer required. Cool. So this is how you create the short URL in a very short period of time. Okay, so in the next video, we will see the details of that. So what exactly you can do in this area. For example, geo-targeting, deep linking, device targeting, and all those things. So if you click on edit, you have other information as well over here. Uh, so we'll see the targeting feature in the next video.